Hi, I'm Danielle Amato, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own t-shirt dress using the AirThread 2000D and the CoverPro 2000 CPX. I designed this t-shirt dress from a favorite t-shirt of mine by extending the side seams down long enough to be a dress length. This is how I did it. Tracing the neck, shoulder, and armhole sides of your pattern piece, extend center front line and side seams to desired length. If you would like to learn how to make a pattern from your own t-shirt or how to measure yourself correctly, check out the links in the description below. To get started, fold your fabric along the length grain. Place the center front of your pattern piece on the fold, pin and cut. Repeat this process for the back pattern piece. Now with your fabric folded, cut 2 sleeve pattern pieces. I designed mine to be a flared sleeve. For more information on how to do that, check out the links in the description below. With right sides together, stitch shoulders and side seams. I'm using a contrasting thread so it's easier for you to see, but you would of course want to match your thread. Stitch underarm seams of sleeves, right sides together. Matching underarm seam with side seam and top of cap with shoulder seam, stitch around the armhole. Repeat for other sleeve. I'm using the AirThread 2000D. This machine makes sewing knit fabrics a breeze. The AirThread glides the fabric through the machine while trimming the seam allowance and leaving you with a professional finish. I will be using the CoverPro to finish the neckline and hems of the dress. You can get both machines at less cost than a combo Serger cover stitch machine. Turn under the neckline 5/8 of an inch. Pin and press. Turn under each sleeve hem 5/8 of an inch. Pin and press. Lastly, turn under the skirt hem 5/8 of an inch. Pin and press. Now, cover stitch each hem. The best part about this dress is that you can design it from a t-shirt you already own, guaranteeing that you're going to love the way it looks and feels.